Labor Day. So happy Labor Day if y'all are off. If y'all not off, I am so sorry. So I am about to get ready to go to the beach. So I want to say come with me to go to the beach. And it's just a little day trip, so don't worry about it. Right now, let me get this stuff out of my mouth, brush my teeth, and then wash my face, and then we'll get to it. We're basically done. Here is the top I'm gonna be wearing. These are these sweat shorts. I just gotta put some lotion on, and then deodorant. Let's put some earrings on because I feel naked without earrings. Okay. I already have my wax on high, so I'm hoping I get to wax my armpits. But I said again, it's literally not that bad. Not really. Like, technically, how long it is, you're not supposed to shave it like that. You're supposed to shave it when it's like half an inch to an inch. And it's not. It's probably not even 1/4. There we go. I'm gonna take my medicine before I forget. What else? Gotta clean up my mess, of course. Alright, let's go to my room so I can put my mascara on and get my bag ready to go. Alright, I'm finally back there in the car as we speak and set up. I did put my mascara on off camera. Got me some backup shoes because I'm definitely not going to put my tennis shoes in the sand. Absolutely not. I do have some cover-ups just in case I do switch into this bathing suit. Take some pictures, you know, be cute. And then of course you can't forget the Black Girl sunscreen. And I got 2 towels in my little, what's it called, bag to go with it. I am about to head out. I'm about to put lotion on my legs so I just don't feel ashy. But all right, let's go. It's a 4-hour trip. Hi, this is everybody who is going. Mimi and her little sister. No. I was like, you really can't see knowing. Say hi. Oh. Okay. We're gonna get some Chick-fil-A and then we're gonna get on the road.
What? I don't want to get on the road too.
But how you gonna get to the beach?
Cause with my goggles.
With your goggles? Okay. Alright, we already first hour down. How's everybody feeling?
Good. Noe. How you feeling, Noe?
Good.
Not asleep.
She not. At least you know my driving is good. No, you're hilarious.
Guess what? Oh, we at the beach. What? You try to waste this stuff.
Yeah, it says pay to order. I didn't bring my handicap sticker.
That's fine, Naya. Right.
Miss E, right?
What?
What?
You're awesome.
You're awesome. Oh, that's police.
Thank you.
Why can't I police?
We are finally here. Look at it, guys. Noe. Say hi.
Hi.
I am when we get to that we are here 4 hours in. And we're gonna stay 2 hours at the beach. At the beach. Uh-oh. Might need to go ahead and take these shoes off. are finally back inside. We had a good 2 hours on the beach. How did everybody like it?
Good.
Good.
We liked it.
You did.
Yeah, we do like it.
You do.
Yes, we do.
What did you pick up? Did you pick any seashells up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think her sister, and we pick up and it was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
You want to come back again? You want to come back again?
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, think about it.
I heard our food, and then we're gonna come in the beach again.
Yeah, we're going to do it one more time. We're going to do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I like it.
You like it?
Mommy, you should grab me.
All right, we are about to go see if we can find somewhere to go eat at. I think we're trying to go to the pier, but I'm pretty sure they're probably going to charge
Mommy,
us
guess
just to
what?
park, just to go to the pier, but we'll go check. And then we're heading on the road. My hair is everywhere, y'all. All right.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, look good.
Oh my God.
We're riding into the sunset.
Oh my God. Naya, look at this.
Bye-bye.
That looks beautiful.
Wow.
I am a sucker for a sunset.
And it's crazy that we're high.
Like a sucker.
I'm trying to go slow. But I'm trying to go slow. So you say elephants? Elephants. She's only saying elephants because you can see it. We're behind enough onto the sunset. Look at that sun, though.
That sun though. That sunset though.
It looks pretty.
Damn, the picture's really not doing no justice for real. Yeah, shit's
That's why I got this video. Clock it. Yeah, clock it. You don't like clock it? Clock it. I'm gonna teach my niece how to do it.
I am officially back home. I think I got home like around 11:30ish. Yeah, 11:30ish. It was actually a pretty good day. I'm glad that I actually went and like had fun because you know some days you just need to like go relax. But I am about to take a quick shower and then go to bed because baby, that driving drained me. But I'm glad that everybody had fun and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.